Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Morning Crypto. We're back on the analyst list, and as you can see, the market's still going down, and we're all wondering what's next. All right. So, yesterday I was hoping that it was just a false breakout. I thought it was gonna be a temporary thing, but technically it's still not. The market is still going down. Do I think that the bull market is over? I still don't think so. I still think this is a temporary thing. But we just gotta see where the next the next price point is gonna be, and we just gotta predict where the next buy. You always gotta buy the dip to buy more. That's the best time to buy, because when it's cheaper. So right now, I'm looking at Bitcoin right now. As you can see, this was my yesterday's prediction, and of course it didn't happen. So let's go ahead and remove these and see where this market's gonna go. Let's go ahead and look at the daily chart here. It broke through the support here, and I'm thinking if it still continues going down, because right now what I'm looking at, it seems like it's retesting back at the resistance now. You know how it was the support but went right through it. Now it's retesting. Now it's just sorry. Let me repeat that. It broke through the support. Now it's retesting. Now it's resistance. Now I feel like it's gonna go down even lower. So I'm thinking this is the, was it lower high, lower low? Yeah, I think, let's see here. I don't think use my Fibonacci retracement. I don't think it's even gonna go back up to 0.5 or 0.618. I think this is the stop right here, and if this candle does not break this within the next 30 minutes, or show an indication of like a buying power that closes above this resistance line, I think it's pretty much over. I think it's gonna fall, go down even lower from there. So let's see where the next price point is gonna be. I'm thinking it's gonna go all the way down to the 42,000 mark. That's what I'm thinking. I feel like it's gonna stop right. Hopefully it stops right here, but that's my prediction. And hopefully that's when the turnaround time is gonna be. I'm just gonna remove this retrace, this Fibonacci here. There you go. Yep. There's nothing I could do here as much as for adding some new indicators. But I'm thinking that it's gonna drop down to the 4,200 mark. Let's see. Yeah, it's about right. Probably like right here. All right, so that's what I'm thinking. I think for these, maybe even this week, I'm thinking it might hit down here. It might hit lower. I'm not too sure. I mean, as far as for the articles of what happened, it seems like I believe it's 2.2 billion Bitcoin that's been liquidated. So that's the reason why it just kind of like tanked so much. There are also other things that possibly made the market go down, but that's all I know. We just gotta be prepared for the next buy. So I'm thinking at the 4,200 mark, I think that's the next hopefully buying opportunity. Let's go ahead and do this. Where is it? Coordinates. 42000. Boom. All right, solid. We'll leave it there for now. Let's go ahead and move on to. Let's go ahead and move on to Ethereum here. Okay, your Ethereum is above this support line here. It tried to do a breakout, but it didn't. Staying right above it. Who knows? It still might even go down lower. Might even go down to the 3,000 mark. This was my previous prediction. Take a closer look. Moving averages shows that it's forming a downtrend. I think we can start adding our new indicator now. So let's go ahead and start doing that. We just gotta always be prepared. So from here, yeah, I think this would be good right here. And then lower high to lower low. So from here to here, as you can see, it hit the 0.618, and I'm thinking it's gonna go down even lower. Let's go ahead and draw another trend here. I think it's gonna be like something like this. Whew, sorry about that. Yeah, looking at this, it might be a downtrend. If the market doesn't break through this this trend line here, it might even go down even lower. And if it does break through it, I'm thinking it might just go break through, retest, and then go back up. But hard to say. I mean, the moving average is showing a downtrend, so I'm thinking it's most likely going to go down below 3,000. I'm thinking at the 2,965 mark. That's where the strong support is. So we'll just leave it at that. I think this is a good stopping point for your Ethereum. And we're just gotta see how it plays out until tomorrow. All right, let's go to the next one. Next one, let's move on to Solana. Solana was out of all the all the coins. Solana was actually pretty strong when the market just kind of crashed. So right now, I mean, it's still forming. Like it shows a lot of up and down, up and down. It honestly might be one of the first ones to really go back up here, like much stronger than the other coins. So let's move this. It did form a lower high and a lower low. Let's go ahead and move this here. Start forming a downtrend. Okay, maybe look at. So this is an hour timeline. I think that's not. Yeah, that should be good. That should be solid. Let's go ahead and do the Fibonacci. The recent lower high to lower low. Boom, right here. Okay. This is the strong resistance here, right at this line. Bam. Okay. All right, so we just updated our chart here, and we potentially might see a little bit more a downtrend all the way into. It honestly might hit. Well, it is gonna hit it did hit the 150, right, and bounce back. I'm thinking it might hit the 150 again. Maybe a couple of times before deciding it was either go through it or break out of it. So these are my two options. I'm thinking, it's gonna go down here. It might hit. It's probably gonna hit here maybe, and then hit this again a couple times, and then from here it has two options: either gonna go down or it's gonna go back up. If it goes back up, I'm thinking it's gonna go here, retest, and then go back up. Or let's get breakthrough, come back up, and then probably hit this price point here. All right, those are my options. So let me know what you guys think. For my future, every time I go live, if there's something that you have questions about, when going over, the technical analysis, feel free to, ask some questions, and let me know what you guys think and what your guys' predictions are. I'm very open to people's ideas. I'm very open to that. These are all theories. These are all my predictions. I'm sure you guys will have your own idea of where the market's gonna go to. So just an FYI. All right, so this is Solana. I think we're pretty much done here. Let's go ahead and go to Polygon. All right, let's go ahead and look at this at the bigger picture to see what it's doing here. All right. So yesterday I made several options, right? It seemed like it took the second option, which is it's gonna go down, retest here, and then it must and it might just actually just go all the way go down right after. If it closes before right below this resistance, then we actually will see a downtrend from there. This might be another buying opportunity for all the investors out there. You know, just getting at the cheaper price. You know, you always gotta buy the dip. I feel like this is a potential step of doing that. All right, I'm trying to see when's the next. Where it's gonna go to next. Let me see here. Honestly, it might hit the $1 mark. It honestly might. Or even the 110. It's one of the two. That's what I'm thinking. But possibly the $1 mark. Let's go ahead and edit that. Boom. There you go. Probably right there. All right. I'll start removing these ones. These don't play a part anymore. With that. We could probably start doing the new Fibonacci, since it is creating new lower highs and lower lows now. So let's go ahead and remove this, and looking at this here. All right, so things could be like this here. Boom, boom, right here. Solid. Start use the trend line here. Here. All right. Yep, is at the 0.618. It tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Might be the 5th time here, maybe. So we'll see what happens here. I think it seems like the buyers are trying to break through this resistance here. It could honestly be a false breakout, right? So we'll see what happens. This is this is my prediction. So we'll see. Hopefully by tomorrow we get to see where the market's gonna go. So this is pretty much it for Polygon. Let's move on to the next one. Let's go ahead and check out VeChain. All right, let's go ahead and zoom out here. All right, we can move this now. We can start moving that. All right, now we can start adding the new Fibonacci, since it created a lower high and higher and lower low. Sorry. So boom, here, probably at the 0.618. There you go. It broke through this strong resistance here. Who knows where it's gonna go? But I believe, draw this trend here. Let me see where the peak is. Okay. So here to here. All right. Boom. Where's the? There you go. All right. So we got our trend line. We got our Fibonacci moving average here. The moving average count is used also to be as a support or resistance. So right now, if it does not break through this moving average here, we'll see a potential downtrend, and I'm thinking is honestly might just hit all the way down back to the maybe 9 cents, 10 cents. Let me see. Yeah, I'll say it might hit the 10 cents. Yeah, I honestly might. Let's see. Let's look at the candles. The line here. Boom, right there. So I'm thinking at the 1054, and then the 10. All right. We're pretty much solid here. Now we just gotta see until tomorrow to see what happens. Honestly, it honestly could hit back at the $10 10 cents mark. Yeah, before the market's gonna go back up. Hopefully. But right now it shows a downtrend. So across the board, all the charts that we just went through, I believe that it is a downtrend right now. So, we just gotta accept that. Don't let this scare you. This is part of investing, trading, right? This is just temporarily. And I'm sure you guys know that. So what you can do here is just wait it out, keep buying the dip, and just get a better entry point where you could put in more while it's cheaper. So this is just see this as an opportunity for you to buy more coins while you can before it starts going back up. So we're done with VeChain here. Let's go ahead and check out Cardano. All right. So yesterday's my prediction. I was thinking that it might be still in the consolidating phase. Now my mind has changed. I think it's still gonna be a downtrend market. It's at my 200 moving average, and it's right below it. So if these two moving averages especially the 50 moving average. If it crosses, then that's a huge downtrend sign. So right here, let's go ahead and start drawing out our Fibonacci, lower high at the lower low at the 0.18. All right, it's chilling right below the 20 moving average as a resistance. Try to break through it, couldn't, went down. Same exact thing here. It might just go down from here. Yep, just might go down for here. Couple options. If it's just a temporary thing, it might just bounce back. That's option one. Option two, we'll break right through it. Let's get hit here and go lower. Let's see where we could predict where the next price point is gonna be. Yeah, it could probably have to be at the $2.05. Sorry, not $2.05. No, I'm right. $2.05. That's what I'm thinking right there. Ooh, man. And the next one, probably right here. So we got a couple options here, you know. So now we just gotta play it out and see where the market is gonna take this thing. So we just updated our charts here. Now it is time to give it time. Hopefully by tomorrow. We might just be able to get a better price entry, and maybe the market might flip, but I'm not too sure because right now it shows a downtrend, and we don't know how far this downtrend is gonna be. So yeah. All right, what's next? FTT. Okay, originally my idea was that thought it was in the consolidating phase. Thought it was gonna go up here, down here, up here. Maybe. Actually, I'm not too sure because it broke right through it. It was a false breakout. It was a false breakout. Now it's chilling above the trend line that I just created. So it's a potential. It's a potential. Because there's still no sign of it as a downtrend for FTX. I think we could just leave it at this. Hopefully it might just follow my trend line here, but who knows, right? So let's go ahead and just leave it at that. Let's go check out. Looked at Polygon already. Looked at VeChain. Let's go ahead and check out Litecoin. Okay, this was my previous setup from the other day. Now it seems like it's consolidating here. chilling where the 200 moving averages. Let me see here, line. Let's put that line here. Yep, it just might be in this box here. So, because it doesn't show my new lower high and lower low. It's like it's pretty much equal, right? So right now it's just consolidating. We just probably just wait it out until we see a trend. Right now is trying to get through the 20 moving average. Right now it's not breaking through it. So we'll just leave it at this. I can't draw any Fibonacci right now or draw a trend because there's no trend. So we'll just have to wait until tomorrow, see if it forms a new, a new pattern. Let's check out XRP. XRP, we could start drawing a Fibonacci here because we do see a new lower high and lower low. So here. So it's chilling at the 0.618. Let's go ahead and draw a trend. Boom. Boom. Okay. Yep. And it's right below the resistance. So I'm thinking that if this not breaks, I think it just might just keep going down until maybe at this price point, the 106, because that's where the strong resistance is. Sorry, support. Let's go ahead and use the line here just to make sure we're accurate. Yep. So I think it's gonna go down, hit this the third time, and it has two options: either stay above it or go right through, retest, and then potentially it might even just go down all the way down to, I'm thinking here, or maybe why do I have this one here? Yeah, I don't know why I have this one here. Honestly, looking at the daily, it could also just hit here. Then 96 cents. Let's go ahead and draw a line here. Boom. Cool. Solid. All right, I think that's that should be it for XRP here. All right. I think we went through all the coins here. If you guys want, I could probably just check out Doge and Shiba. Like, why not, right? People are investing into that. I like to see where this is going. Okay, so it did form a lower high and a lower low. So let's go ahead and draw our Fibonacci here. Boom, boom. chilling right at the 0.618. We could start drawing a trend line here. Okay. It's right below the moving average here. So right above the, I guess this is the resistance here. But why right here? Let me see. It might be better if it's up here, right? Okay, that's better. So it is right below this resistance now. It seems like the market is trying to break it. If it doesn't, I'm thinking it might be going down to, zoom this out real quick. Maybe at this price point. Boom, right there. That's what I'm thinking. Zoom in here. So yep, I think it's gonna be hitting this support line here. Oh, it just formed a new candle, and now is a red candle. So this might be it. This honestly might be it. Yep, it touched the 20 moving average. I feel like it's not gonna break out here. I mean, it shows a downtrend, so I think it's gonna continue going down from here. All right, we'll just leave it at that. Let's go check out Shiba. Shiba shot up a lot, even though it did went down as of yesterday, but it just pushed right back up. Not too sure why, but yeah, it went right back up. It's hard to determine it's gonna be a trend right now, because yes, it did create a lower high. Kind of, because this one's like below all these other markets prices. So I mean, I can and see, like, maybe why not, you know, to see where this is gonna go. Potentially also it probably could retest, hit the 0.5 or the 1.8 before going back up. That's an idea. Maybe we could just leave it like that. Maybe it might, that actually might happen, you know. Yeah, I can't draw a trend line right now. There's no trend, fortunately. So let's just leave it at that and see where the market's gonna go. Should I buy Bitcoin, or do you think it will dip more? Good question. So, ring full of highlights. Thank you for stopping by Morning Crypto. I appreciate you coming here. So let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin. So I don't think it's the best time to buy Bitcoin yet. I still think the market's still gonna dip more. Because right now it did form a new downtrend. And I'm thinking it might even go down to the 42,000 as the new price point. So I would say still wait it out. Still wait it out because I still think it's still a downtrend. It did form a new. I thought I did this. No. Okay, let's try. Let's do it anyway. So, from right here, the lower high to lower low, it did hit the 0.786. We're using the Fibonacci. Here's a downtrend from here to here. I think let's go ahead and switch over to the lines here. I have a better, there you go. Boom. So yeah, I'll say still wait it out. Still wait it out. I still think it's gonna go down even lower. Because as you can tell, the moving averages, it's starting to form, a downtrend. Because it did, when it broke through this support, it retest back to that line. Now I think it's gonna go back down. As far as I think there's two options. I think it's gonna stop either right here at the 44,000, and if it breaks through this, the next price point I think will be the 42. Let me redo my support and resistance here. Boom, right here. I think right here should be solid. Right there. Yeah. So I think this is where my prediction is gonna be. Hopefully that answers your question. Sorry if I was like, just scrambling around. But I'm pretty sure you try and get an idea. That's my idea. I still think it's gonna go down. So I'll say just wait it out. Thanks for the answer. I left this out and I like watching you right before I go to. Oh, awesome! Wow, you go to school. Thank you for dropping subscribe. For subscribing. I really appreciate that. Just a little background story about me. I've been doing Forex for 7 years, so I'm just transferring all my experience and my knowledge to crypto, because recently, after I transferred over from Forex to crypto, I started seeing more accurate results, and I started to see more money come in than as of Forex. So, please keep following with me. I'll be going live every single day. That's my goal. My goal for me for this channel is to educate you guys and teach you where the price, all price predictions, my theories, where the market's gonna go. So I really appreciate you stopping by, and hopefully hope you have a great day at school. What time does your school start, if you don't mind me asking? I really like to get to get really close with my my community, my audience. Little background about me too is that I used to stream on Twitch a lot, so I'm really love to get engaged with my my audience and my my community. So yeah, right now we'll just see what tomorrow holds, and hopefully see my predictions are right. And as far as for looking at it right now, I still think it's gonna go even lower. Because as of yesterday, from what I heard, that it was a $2.2 billion liquidation. So much people pulled out, and you heard about the El Salvador. They just legalized that they'll be accepting Bitcoin as their new foreign currency. So that's huge, you know. Today I have a half day because it's first day, so at 12, but normally at 8. Oh, perfect. Cool. That's awesome. So yeah, first day is at 12. Okay, I'm assuming, are you in college right now? Because I'm also Pacific time as well. So, perfect. We're in the same timeline. And that's really solid. You're going to school, you're investing. That's really, really, really smart. You know, I think the best thing to do at a kids at a younger age, like like maybe like towards like senior year or college, that's when people should really consider about investing. I started when I was 19, so, and I'm 26 right now. So I've been, like I said, 7 years, 7 years in forex. You know, um, crypto I just got in last year. So, but I saw exponential growth within crypto than I seen in forex for the time that I did. Yeah, and also, if you think your friends would love to, come hang out with us, like to see this channel, see I could help them, um, understand the market, you know, this is not all financial advice, make sure, this is real money, so I'm sure you know that, you're smart. I know you're doing what you're doing, try to get some intel about what's going on, right? Oh, not high school? Wow. You probably are going to. Awesome, awesome. I'm really happy to hear that. Yeah, school, and, it's, you learn way more things outside of school. School is all just textbook. This is all like, street knowledge. People go through this type of stuff and actually learn, make mistakes, trials and errors. Um, and that's how you overcome it. You know. But yeah, let your friends know about my channel. If you want your friends to start investing as well, that'd be really, really solid. If you don't mind me asking, um what's your grade, so I have like a better understanding of my potential audience that's gonna be, because I do want to help the future generation. I believe the future generation is gonna impact so many lives in the future. You know, let's go ahead and bounce back and forth here. But yeah, maybe we could probably just leave it at Bitcoin here. Oh, nice, awesome, awesome. Are you excited? You're like, I mean, the school just started. Just started. So you got one more year and you'll be a senior. By the time you're finished, man, you'll probably be, you know, making some good money before you go to college. Man, I didn't even know about. I mean, actually, I found about crypto back in 2017 when I got introduced to this guy that I came across at a boba shop. And honestly, I was skeptical at first, but man, thinking about it now, whew, I wish I would listen to him, because he's a random guy. He told me about investing into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin was only 1,000 at the time. Can you imagine if I got in around that time? Oh my god. But I'm in it now, right? So which is good. And I still think it's still in an early stage, you know. I still think it's early. I still think people still should invest into crypto. From what I heard, the next 5 years, people are saying Bitcoin might hit 1 million. So, even if you get a partial of that, like that's huge. Are you just invested in Bitcoin right now? Is there any other crypto that you're invested in that I could probably go through? Because I just went through how many coins did I went through? I went through Bitcoin, went through XRP, went through Ethereum, I went through Doge, Shiba, VeChain, Polygon, um, Solana, Cardano, almost like 9 or 10 coins. I got to get ready for school. Thanks for your info. I'll try to watch tomorrow. Awesome, man. I appreciate it. Have a great day at school. Thank you. Thank you so much again for supporting my channel. I'll see you tomorrow morning. I usually get on like at 8 o'clock, around 8 o'clock. So, but since you're subscribed, you'll get the notification when I get back on. So, have a great day at school, man. I appreciate you stopping by. Um, Let's see if I'm missing any other coins that I could potentially look at here. FTX. So yeah, I did win around about like 10 coins. All right. So as of right now, we just gotta wait it out, until see what the market is gonna happen. As of everything across the board, everything is a downtrend right now. So we just gotta leave it at that until what tomorrow holds. Yeah, so I'm actually just gonna end it here. Thank you for the new subscribers, the support. I really, really appreciate you guys, coming here and chatting with me, asking questions. I really love that. I really love to get involved with, my community, my followers, my subscribers. I really enjoy doing that, asking Q&As. I just want to be. I just want to, help people as much as I can, and hopefully I'm doing that for you guys. I'll be back in tomorrow, same time. So if you want that notification, make sure to subscribe, and I'm sure you'll get that notification every time I go back on. I'm about to end it here. So yeah, have a good one. Thank you for tuning in for Morning Crypto. I'll see